Long rescue effort continues at this hour for a Pennsylvania grandmother who may have fallen into a deep sinkhole. This began last night in Westmoreland County outside Pittsburgh. Police are looking for 64-year-old Elizabeth Pollard of Unity Township. She was reported missing at 1 in the morning and was last seen yesterday evening when she was driving around the neighborhood looking for her cat. She had her 5-year-old granddaughter with her. The girl was later found alone in the car behind a restaurant. Investigators then realized a new sinkhole had opened up nearby. They believe she is down there. They say they hope that there is an air pocket for her.